In this lesson, we're going to complete the stroking bird's tail. Last lesson, we start from open, close, and wall off. I will split it down to small parts and follow us. Last lesson, we stopped at the wall pose. Then the next thing we do is we turning your dantian very slightly, and then turn the left palm, turn the right palm, and turn your body very slightly. So you are now, your right palm is close to the left elbow, and it's like, almost like you're greeting somebody, hello. Follow me as I turn around. So turn ever so slight and turn the left palm out. Bring the right palm, turn the palm up, and right palm near the elbow. One more time. Turn the left palm, turn the right palm. Okay. Turn the left palm, turn the right palm, like a greeting. So then, from here, after he greet, then he welcome your guest to you. Bring your hands down, across your body, in a gentle arch. Come up to here, about 90 degrees, and bring your hands over. Follow me. Turn the left palm, turn the right palm, turn. And then shift your weight, turn your body, bring your hands down, across in a gentle arch. And your right hand come out about shoulder height. Let's do that again from wall. Turn both palms, hands down, across your body, right hand, both hands up. One more time. Turn both palms, weight back, turn your body, carry your hands over, across. So please try to follow my movements first. Later on, I will explain the energy behind it, but trying to do everything with minimum force. Move it gently and softly. Eventually, that would allow the inner strength to grow. If you are really stiff, it stops the chi from flowing and it tanks you. So the next again from here, you greeting first, and then across, shift your weight back. Then your right hand, like do something like a somersault to join the left hand as your body turning back. So the palm of the right hand is resting on the left wrist, and you straighten coming back to here, and then you continue to push and back to your bow stance with both your hands form a semicircle in front of your chest. Follow me. Turn both palms, hands down, across. Right hand do a somersault, touch the left wrist, coming straight up and forward to both stands. Form a semicircle in front of your chest. One more time. Turn your palm, hands down. Right hand touch the left wrist as you're coming back and forward. Notice the elbows should be below the shoulder and the wrist. And this way, it allows your joint to song and your chi can flow better. One more time. Turn both palms down. Join hands. That's two components. From here, that's roll back, and then this is press. And the last component is push. Separate your hands, shift your weight back, the toe up, hands down, and then moving up, over. Follow me. Turn both palms, roll back, down, across, join hands, press forward. Now we separate your hands, palm facing down, and shoulder height, shoulder width. And then you bring your hands back to in like a gentle curve, back and down to in front of the hip. Shift your weight and lift the toe up. Let's do that from here. Turn both palms, roll back, join hands, press forward. Separate your hands to shoulder width, shoulder height apart. As you come back, shift your weight back, your hands in a gentle curve down to in front of your hips. Let's do that again. Turn both palms, hands down, roll back, join hands, press forward, separate your hands, hands back, down in a gentle curve. One more time. Turn, roll back, join hands, press forward, separate your hands, hands down. Then you put your foot down, shift your weight and your hand move forward and up like a gentle slope. Yeah, it's forward and up in a gentle slope. Let's do that again. Turn both palms, bring the hands down, roll back, join hands and pressing forward. Separate your hands, hands back, foot up. Hands, put the foot down, hands forward, weight forward, up in a gentle slope.